It's November, but gardening isn't over for the year. In actual fact, now is one of the most important times of the year to get all of those gardening jobs done so that your garden looks as good as it can possibly look next year. The trees are giving us all of their autumnal colours, but they're going to drop those leaves, and they're starting to do that right now. And this is absolutely one of the jobs that you should be doing. Going around and raking up, clearing those leaves, but don't get rid of them. You can use these for mulching and also for creating leaf mould. As we get into November, it's the perfect time to start looking at your fruit trees. You'll have harvested all of those wonderful fruits, but now is the perfect time. As they drop their leaves and the plant becomes dormant, you can see the framework, which means that you can prune them effectively to give you all of that wonderful growth and fruit for next year. And if you haven't planted your spring flowering bulbs yet, don't panic, there's still plenty of time. November is the perfect time to get these in the ground, particularly your tulip bulbs. This is the time to get planting. As the colder weather threatens, it's time to look around the garden, identify those tender plants, and decide what you're going to do with them. Perhaps it's just a good layer of mulch to see them through the winter, or maybe it's time to move them under cover to give them that winter protection, just like we have here at the YouGarden nursery. And finally, one of the most important jobs you can be doing now in November is planting your bare roots. Bare root season starts in October, goes right the way through to March. So it could be your Erameris, it could be your peonies, it could be agapanthus, it could be the amazing bare root fruit trees. Now is the perfect time to get these in the ground.